Welcome to the Atlantic Design Filter Installation Guide. For demonstration purposes today, we will be installing filters in a new, clean unit. If your application is replacement of used filters in an existing unit, all employees working on or around the unit will need to wear all required personal protection equipment, protective suit, respirator with the correct cartridges for exposure to hazardous dust, and safety glasses must be worn at all times. In addition, all federal, state, or local codes for proper disposal of filters and personal safety gear must be followed. Your ADI unit contains top-of-the-line polyester filters and can last for years if properly cared for. Please note the filter deck and its appearance when completed. And when opening any dust collector door, if hinged, confirm that the door braces are locked in the open position before working on the collector deck. If the door is not locked and falls, injury or death is possible. It's also good practice to check the condition of the door gasket while the door is opened. If damaged or missing, it will cause a significant vacuum leak. Both the vacuum dust collector and the classifier dust collector, if applicable, have the same ADI filters, as does all equipment manufactured by Atlantic Design. When installing a new filter, the deck must be clean and free of dust or debris. Always install a new gasket when installing new filters, which is supplied with every filter sold by ADI. First, confirm that the 4 bolts for each filter are properly seated and have not become loose or lowered on the deck. There should be approximately 3/4 of an inch of bolt above the deck. After installing the gasket, place the filter carefully in the deck hole, sitting on top of the gasket. Do not slide the filter, as it will dislodge or roll the gasket. Also be careful not to scrape the filter on the deck or other filters when installing. The square tops are reusable and should last the life of the machine. Again, making sure the gasket is setting flat, install the serrated nuts and tighten carefully and completely. After filter installation is complete, check every filter again before moving on. Carefully insert the bracket of the blowpipe into the slot at the far end of the deck. Then slide the compression coupling halfway on both the pipe and the manifold. At this time, check to make sure that the holes in the bottom of the blowpipes are directly over the holes in the center of the filter. This is crucial for proper cleaning of the filters during the pulsing process. Then, tighten the compression coupling completely. After removing any trash, hardware, or tools from the filter deck, you're now ready to completely release the door braces and shut the dust collector door, making sure you or others are out of the way. Bolt the door shut and tighten securely, and your filter installation is complete.